Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show to you the way how to get this something moving on your screen right now. It's called Assistive Touch on your iPhone. So how to get this, you just need to go open your settings, and right after that you just need to scrolling down until you found this accessibility, and then you just need to go click it. Now you just need to take a look at this physical and motor, and then you just need to go click the touch one. On the top side there will be an assistive touch, so make sure that this is on so that you will have this button on your screen. So whenever it's off, this button will be disappear. If you want to have this button like on your screen, you just need to turn it on. Whenever you have this on your screen, you can like access the pointer of it. So you just need to go click it, and there will be a tab button here. Go click it, and you will get an active moving pointer, so you can detect the screen activity on your iPhone. So that is the way guys how to activate the assistive touch on iPhone. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.